great expectation, excitement, and it has built nicely in these idyllic conditions. Conditions which are certainly playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates, but regardless of that, there's a great feel here and much excitement for the game ahead. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. As you can see, we've already started here. Who do you, Jim, see making a difference here?
Well, I've been hugely impressed with Kaoru Mitoma, Peter. He has worked extremely hard.
He's had a shot! It's there! First blood drawn. Terrible error, duly punished. A 1-0 lead established.
Yeah, and they know there's plenty of work left in this one, Peter, before they can actually say that the job is over.
Oh, that's a very decent ball now. And there's his chance to lead the counter.
Kubo.
Oh, that's a key interception. No, that's been intercepted. Hits one! Well, the finish certainly didn't match the build-up.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
And that is out of play. Gets his pass away, out to the right. He's shifting through the gears here. He's got the shot away! Oh, the ball's run loose here. Oh, lovely feed, he is such a good mover. Interesting ball. Gets a good foot in there. Played out to the right. Back into the middle. Well read. And the danger is averted. Tries to get it clear. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Looking for the runner. Oh, that's well spotted. Move forward and quickly so. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising. Fiddles it through. A slightly better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Quality deserted them when they really needed it.
Moved on forwards. And he's picked out the run. Just there's the hit! It's in! And this is getting better and better. Was there ever any doubt?
Yeah, he always had the measure of the keeper, and there was very little doubt as to how this was going to end up.
So that's two now without reply.
The turning of the screw comes to mind, Peter. They've got them where they want them.
Nicely intercepted. And the counter is on. Header! Just off target.
Yeah, he may have snatched it down a bit, even though it was quite close.
And that's a throw. Good spot, he's seen the run. Tries a shot! Clearly not happy with that. Oh, strongly challenged there. Well, they could break here. Long ball by the goalkeeper. The message is clear, none shall pass. Threads one in. Kubo. This is promising. Cross is blocked, and that's a corner. And it's hoisted clear. And the keeper's got it again. Nakayama. Forwards and with intent. Now the counter. Oh, well played. He needed to get that right. Japan needed that. They really needed it.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was.
And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Of the first half. Any opinion you'd like to express on the first half?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
A half of massive entertainment and excitement. A two-goal margin, yes, but all things still possible. So we're already into the second period. No changes at half-time that we're aware of. Oh, he's enjoyed that. He evidently loves the contest. Looking for options for movement. And here comes the corner. And that has been cleared. And now a sudden chance to counter. Ito. He is through here. Room for a shot. Straight hit! Now, who's going to be first to this? He's going to be disappointed with that. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Kubo. He's a sharp little ball here. Now who's going to be first to this? Threads one in. Now that's well seen too. Yet another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Look, the game is full of ifs and buts. If only the pass could have completed its journey.
Well-timed, excellent interception. Looking for the runner. Well played, that has snuffed out the danger. There really wasn't very much in that, not far away from being a telling final ball.
That was just poor decision-making and a weak execution.
And he cuts out the supply. Kubo. Played back in. Oh, he's managed to get himself offside. Gets his pass away. That's has a goal! Keeper pulls up a fine save.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Have their second corner now. And now they can spring out of defence. There's the shot! Great strike. The test for the keeper.
Yeah, on another occasion, all that went wrong may come right.
Done delicately. Brilliantly cut out. Kubo. Calmly anticipates, and it's played forward. Oh, just skips past his man. Oh, that's a fine interception. Kubo. And he welcomes it in. He's got away. Backward it goes. That's good defending, very good defending. Ito! It's off target and by quite a way.
Japan are showing good urgency, but they have to place more emphasis on service into the box.
Well, the crowd clearly like what they just saw. Some real no-nonsense defending. Shifted upfield. Oh, shooting chance! It's loose and there's a race for the ball.
Beautifully policed that midfield. The opposition have been handcuffed.
Played out wide. Oh, he's found support out wide. And the shot! Oh, it looked like 3-0 for sure.
He'll be fuming with himself for not converting. He could have killed it off.
Corner number 3 coming up. And he just whacks it away. There will be a throw-in. Kubo. And that's another good win of the ball. It's gone for a throw-in. He's in plenty of space here. So their fourth corner of the game. And he's there to clear it. That's been won straight back. And that has left him in a heap. Now then, the ball's come loose. Kubo. Tomiyasu. tool. Spread out to the left. That has been cut short. He's found a way through. Sends it forward. The referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle.